Hey y'all. So today we are going to be making some mocktails. I was a bartender for 12 years, so I enjoy making cocktails even if they are non-alcoholic. Dessoir sent me their variety pack. We have 3 different flavors. We have a margarita, a tres rosé, and then a spritz Italiano. I have 3 different drink recipes that I came up with here. So we are going to make those. The first one we're going to start out with is the margarita. So let me gather my ingredients and we will build this drink and we'll give it a taste test. We have a little special guest today. It's going to be my boyfriend. I actually met him at my job. So we're going to take him back a little bit and he's going to be my taste tester to let me know what he thinks of these drinks. So if you are interested in what I'm going to be cooking up, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our glass. You're going to rim the glass with a lime. And then I cannot pronounce this, but we're using this seasoning here. You'll just take a little baby bit, you'll put some on a dish, and then just coat the rim of your glass in it. I'm just gonna measure with my heart here. Add some lime juice. We're gonna do this in a separate glass. Hold on. And then you're gonna need a little bit of an orange. Buy orange juice if you wanted to, but we are just going to fresh squeeze it because everything when you're making drinks tastes better when it's freshly squeezed, if I'm being totally honest. Then we're gonna do a little bit of simple syrup. If you want, but you don't have to, you can top with a little bit of club soda. This is what she looks like. I'm gonna give her a taste. It tastes exactly like a margarita. That's crazy. Yeah. You wanna come try it now?
Yeah, I do.
Let me know if this takes you back to when I made you drinks at the
When I
bar.
first met you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, first initial thoughts. Does it taste like a margarita?
It does.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really good.
What would you rate this out of 10? Honestly.
The first number that comes to my mind, 7.2. One bite, everybody knows the rules, 7.2.
7.2. Okay.
Final
All right,
answer.
moving on. Okay, so next we are making a sunlit Mediterranean spritz. The spritz Italiano. Just going to rim this glass again with a lime. Use the same seasoning we used in the last one. I think it's called tagine. Somebody correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And then obviously sunlit Mediterranean spritz. If you see how it's layered here, it kind of gives like a little bit of a sunset vibe. Give her a little mix. I'm gonna try it first. Oh damn, that is good. The sunlit Mediterranean spritz. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Set the scene.
Sitting on the beach,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Just watching the sunset, end of the day. You've had a long day, you're like super relaxed, you know, because you've been in the sun all day, you've been swimming in the ocean, you're standing watching the sunset, looking at, maybe listening to a good playlist. You know what I mean?
Rating 0 to 10. What would you rate it?
8.6.
8.6.
Final answer. Yeah.
Next, moving along. Okay, and last but not least, we're making a rosé spritz. Squeeze a little bit of lemon, a little bit of simple syrup. Then we're just gonna take like a handful, if you will, of some raspberries and we're gonna muddle those and then we're gonna throw it in the shaker. As a former bartender, I should probably have a muddler, but I don't, so we're gonna use a spoon. Put that in the shaker and I'm actually gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. Give it a nice shake. Get a wine glass, fill it with ice. And then you're gonna wanna strain this into your glass. I'm gonna throw a couple more raspberries in there. Open up your Tres Rosé. Then you can top it with club soda if you would like. And then a little lemon to garnish. Mix her up. Oh, wowza. All right, let's go get my mans. We have a rosé spritz.
Ooh, all right. Okay, that's different, unique, very unique.
It is giving a true rosé spritz, in my personal opinion.
Yeah.
0 to 10, what would you rate it on the scale?
I'm gonna be like 8.2.
8.2,
on
really?
that one. Yeah,
Okay.
Like it tastes amazing. It just wouldn't be like my drunk of choice. You know? So,
Okay. All right, sounds good.
all good.
Thanks for all your hard work. I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you for all your hard work.
Bye, thinker.
We appreciate you.
So out of all three, Sean's favorite was the Sunlit Mediterranean Spritz, and mine was the spicy citrus refresher. So we are going to go finish these drinks and enjoy a little time on the porch. If you make any of these, please let me know. And I will also link the variety pack in the little orange cart if you would like to try these out. And thank you so much, Dessois, for sending me your drinks and letting me try them out today.